The All India State Water Ministers Conference is being held here. We have to secure water, we have to recycle water, we have to prevent water, we have to reuse water. That is what the theme is. So we have given our proposals, our demands. All the ministers have raised their problems. But we are requesting to help out more states. Don't look at politically. We are asking them to sort out our problems, whichever states we have, on the river linking issues and whatever the interstate issues. I think again on the 26th, the Honorable Minister was kind enough to give us sufficient time. So I am meeting again. Lot of financial announcement was being done earlier as we stopped. We have demanded that also, especially on Madai and Krishna Tribunal Award and Mekedatu issues. I have just raised the concern, and they have assured us they will first call a meeting of us and take action on this. Anyway, good initiative. Mr. Patil has made us to sit discuss. I discussed even on with Andhra, Telangana, and 3 or 2 ministers also we discussed. I am going to Vijayawada to see the Andhra Chief Minister on our how this Tungabhadra water has been to safeguard the Tungabhadra water, which desilting has to be done, or we have to somehow work out some strategy to use about 30 TMC of water which has been because of the desilting, we are not able to use that water, it is going to sea. So I think that this meeting has brought all of us together to discuss our problems.